You see this feature I'm about to show you? I want you to go straight to your YouTube studio and begin to tick everything. Remember that the more you struggle to get views on YouTube, the longer it is going to take you to meet up to your 4,000 watch hours threshold. And you don't want to just keep revolving around a spot. Immediately one of your videos starts to age over 365 days, the watch hours that you have accumulated in those particular videos will start to be deducted. It's going to take time for you to get monetized on YouTube. Now, it doesn't matter your niche, you can use this particular strategy and it is legit. Now, one thing I've noticed about many of we content creators on this YouTube street is we actually know what we are doing, but there is just one missing piece. It is one of the things that is hindering our videos from reaching the right people, and also one of the things that hinders people from watching our videos to the end, and that is when it comes to your video creation and your video delivery. Do you understand? Now, I found out a particular way that every content creator on YouTube can start using to be able to get the right video creation, the right video delivery in terms of scripting, in terms of titling, in terms of thumbnails. If you're on YouTube, you know that these three things are very key if we want to do very well on YouTube, if we want to get the views that we are looking for on YouTube. So I'm going to ensure that this video is not up to 10 minutes long so that you can actually stay to watch every minute of this video, because I'm going to maximize the time so that it is going to contain every valuable information that you need. So do not skip even 1 minute of this video. Now, after I've gone into my phone screen to show you exactly what to tick and exactly what to do, I'm going to come back and tell you how you should start implementing this so that your videos can start getting the reach that it needs. So if you've not liked this video at this point, please do well to like it so it can get to more people. Here, I do not gatekeep here. Whatever it is that I know can help me or can help you or is helping me and can help you, I come here to share. You can also join this amazing family by doing what? Subscribing right now. Yeah, so let me just go straight into my video and explain to you what this important thing is. What you want to do right now is to come over to your YouTube studio, okay? Go over to your YouTube studio, then go over to analytics. You see this beautiful thing here, trends. Go ahead and tap on trends. Now you see here under trends we have explore topics, we have some top searches here. Now, if you want to have this particular part in your own video, what you want to ensure is immediately you start posting on your YouTube channel. Remember that before you start posting, you should build a watch history on your YouTube channel first before you start posting. Now, immediately you start posting on your YouTube channel, you want to start searching for people who are in your niche. Start following them on YouTube, because it is as you are following them, your YouTube algorithm is taking note of that okay, this is what this person is interested in, and it is going to be bringing such things in your own video. Now, on that particular niche, if there are top searches, like topics that people are really searching for in that particular niche, YouTube is now going to be featuring it in this part of your YouTube studio. So let's continue. So you can see here that it has how to increase 4,000 watch hours time, how to improve editing skills in CapCut, how to increase zero public watch hours. So definitely in my own niche, these are some of the top searches. Now, if we come here also, this is not even where I'm going to. I'm going to show you something. If we come here also, we can see a lot. Do you understand? A lot of topics that people are really searching for in this my own niche. So you're going to see it in your own niche. So what you want to do is start to tick, start to tap, start to love them, start to love them, start to love them. You will see that as you are loving, you're going to see saved. You will see similar topics on your feed. That is what you're going to see. Let me just show you one. Can you see it here? You will see similar topics on your feed. So you just keep loving all of them, because the more you love them, the more YouTube is going to feature all of these kind of topics for you. Now let us just click on any of them, okay? Now let's assume we click on any of them. We clicked on how to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2025. Now YouTube, your YouTube studio is going to show you here. It says very high interest from your viewers, so you know that if you post something like this, you're actually going to get many of your viewers will be interested in something like this, in a topic like this. But the thing is, how do you now deliver in such a way that your videos will reach those people? So what you want to do is YouTube will now come here based on what you have put here. YouTube is going to show you here watched on YouTube. Now it is those videos that are ranking well that YouTube is going to bring up here. Okay, if you tap on this place now, you can see it, how to grow a YouTube channel from 0 subs in 2025, complete guide. This one is by Marcus Jones. This one, do this to grow your YouTube channel fast. This one is even a short, yet it did very well. This one by Jade Beeson. Can you see everything how to grow? Now let me tell you what you want to do. You now want to go ahead, click on these 3 dots here. If it's anyone that you feel like, okay, I don't want this one on my own feed, okay, you just come here and click on don't show me this again, and YouTube is going to start showing you, will stop showing you that thing. So that way you'll be able to know what you are filtering out. Okay, the one you don't want, YouTube will just filter it out for you. Do you understand? So now if you know that these ones you want them, you can just look for any of these videos because they're actually ranking well. What you want to do is to just save this particular video. Do you understand? I'm going to tell you what you are also going to do. Now if you check here, you will see only videos. Okay, now if you're a long form based channel, long form video based channel, you want to come here and look through all of these things. Look at their titles, see the way they wrote their titles. In fact, you can go ahead to write down the titles, okay, or you just save the titles on your notepad on your phone. These videos are actually ranking well, and it's because they did something that made them to rank well. Now if you come here to shorts, so even if you're a short based channel, you are not left out of this. If you come here to your to the shorts aspect, you're going to see everything related. Can you see this one is showing 1 million views? Now one tip for a shorts based channel, you don't want your shorts to be too long all the time. Okay, if you notice, that's one thing I've noticed, when you have shorts that are shorter, yeah, shorts that are shorter, they actually do well with views. So you can see this one, 15 seconds, 1 million views. Can you see? That's what you're going to do. Now let me now tell you exactly what you want to start doing. Remember, this one you have to love it, love, so that you'll be getting more of this type of things on your feed. Now that you've done all of these vital things, what you want to now do is any one of those videos that you decide to pick. Remember I said you should write down the topics. So from those topics, use those topics to now bring out a topic from your own video. Now you can decide to pick any topic and use it exactly how it is in your own videos, or you just combine 3 different topics and do your addition and deletion. Do you understand? To get a very good topic, just ensure your topic is similar to what they are doing, because they are doing something that is making them to rank very well on YouTube, to rank high on YouTube. Now the next thing you want to do is to now go over to their description box. See the way they actually scripted their description box. If they use hashtags, look at it. You can decide to even put the hashtags that they used on those particular videos, or on that particular video that you're about to use or to recreate. Now after that, you want to now go to the video itself. See, this part is actually very important. Go to the video itself, look at the thumbnail of the video, look at how they actually designed their thumbnail. You want to start designing your thumbnail the way they designed their thumbnail, or very similar to how they designed their thumbnail. You're only helping to enhance your delivery on YouTube. That is the thing. And when you go over to your YouTube Studio Analytics, you are going to see that it's going to help your videos to start ranking. YouTube is not going to go and tell you that you are copying someone or you are reusing someone's content. After all, you're not downloading that person's video to go and use. Do you understand? Now that you've done that, the last important part that you don't even want to miss out on. If you miss this part, you have missed everything. That is the truth. I was about to say ho-ha. You now want to go play that person's video. Strategically study how they started that particular video, because the first 5 to 30 seconds of any particular video is very key and is going to determine whether a person is going to stay till the end of that particular video. Sometimes if you want to help yourself, you can script down how they started and just touch up on it, maybe change some words. Do you understand? Whatever it is that they use to enable people to stay, follow that pattern. Trust me, if you can decide to put this to use for your next 10 videos, one of those videos will definitely go viral. And when I say go viral, it is definitely going to gain more traction compared to your previous videos on YouTube. Trust me, this is going to work for you. If you've not liked this video at this point, please do well to like and subscribe to join this family, because you will always learn something. Trust me. And please, if you've not gone through my community tab, there are very important information that I put there that you don't want to miss out on. Okay, because in 3 days time, that information might no longer be there. So go ahead and check it out. I'll see you on my next one. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.